Come with us on a 2 day trip to Mahabaleshwar from Mumbai, and we went on a long weekend. So I would advise otherwise, preferably go on a weekday and check the traffic because Satara Highway is under construction and it will take you at least 6.5 hours. We reached Dreamland property, which is very good. It is right besides the market, so you don't have to drive around, and had a beautiful cup of tea after reaching here. This property has a lot of area to walk around, so if you just want to chill and relax at the resort, you can do that. They have good amenities as well as this property. After that, we went for a stroll in the Mahabaleshwar market. It was very chilly, and the first thing we had was this strawberry cream, which is everyone's core childhood memory. After that, we ended our long day with this pitla bhakri. I didn't get bhakri, so I had to eat chapati, but this restaurant is there right in the middle of the market. So we woke up next day morning to this beautiful lush greenery, had our breakfast, and left for the day. After that, our first stop was Parsi Point. You can get a good view of River Krishna from here, but it was very smoggy the day we reached. So we moved on to Cafe Kokona, which is there in Mahabaleshwar. It is a very beautiful cafe with a nice ambience, and it's right in the middle of the nature, but it is very crowded as well. So it's better that you check the availability by calling them. Preferably go here around 1:32 p.m. ish, like for a late lunch, and you'll get a good vibe. They have an outdoor area as well where you can enjoy the greenery, but they do not serve their food here, so you can order the food and chill here in the environment, like we did, and we clicked a lot of photos also over here. This cafe is known for its artisanal cocoa, so we had some amazing hot chocolate which was 70% dark, and Viraj ended up ordering this cocoa smoothie bowl, which was also really nice. So do check out these options as well. Along with that, they have a wood-fired oven, so we could see a live pizza being made in front of us, and it was super delicious. A lot of people are ordering pizzas here, so definitely check this out. Overall, this place was a 10 on 10 and a good way to relax in the heat of the afternoon in Mahabaleshwar. So then we started driving up the hill and we met this cute little monkey. After that, we went for some strawberry plucking. So this is Mauli Farms, and here you can do strawberry plucking at around 80 rupees. They have other vegetables and crops as well, which you can see over here. We picked some amazing strawberries at this farm, and we walked through these farms guided by an uncle who told us about the entire life cycle of a strawberry. That was very amazing. They're even building some houses over here, so I think they're planning to convert it into a resort, and you can check it out in a couple of months. Also, this is a scenic view from the Mauli farm. So the next day morning we woke up and we went to Venna Lake. So this was our strategy to avoid all the crowds, and it was very calm and peaceful. After that, we had a quick brunch at Mapro, and then we left for the day. We left from the other road, not the core Mahabaleshwar Panchgani highway. That saved us 1 hour and we reached back in 5.5 hours. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and like for more.